The 2007 Audi Q7. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a 4.2-liter 8-cylinder engine. Top features include leather upholstery, heated front and rear seats, front fog lights, heated steering wheel, power moonroof, remote keyless entry, a roof rack, and cruise control. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio and 14 speakers yielding maximum audio versatility. Audi also prioritized safety and security by including front side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. We'd love to show you this vehicle in person. Call to schedule a test drive today.